Yo, what is up, guys? Today I will unbox and check out this OSRAM TYREinflator for you. I guess it will be a handy dandy tool if you need to like adjust some tire pressure and stuff. Forgive me for my voice, I'm kinda sicko mode today, so yeah, let's see what's inside here. So it comes in a nice pouch. Let's take it out. It has like a bracket for a bike, so you can mount it on your bike frame, or I guess you can mount it wherever you like somewhere here, and just store it in your garage or something. The device itself looks like that. Let's see what's also there. Instruction, we don't need that obviously. 2 screws for the bike mount, and micro USB cable, which is kinda sad that it's not a USB Type-C connector. Okay, that's how the device looks like. Let's turn it on. Right away you see you can just change your units from PSI to bars and kilopascals, I guess. This is how it sounds. Okay, on top we got the connector for the hose. The hose is nicely integrated in the body over here. You just screw it in, and you can plug it right away to your car tube or bike tube, depending on which tubes you have. It has a light, always good to use if you're like somewhere in the middle of the night, I don't know, with your bike tire flat or something. On the bottom you have the power bank function. It has 5200 milliamp hours of battery, micro USB for charging, and here's a adapter for your other bike tube, the skinny one, I guess, and a needle for blowing up a ball or something like that. Okay. How you set it up? You can just turn it on, like choose maybe PSI and set it up like to, I don't know, 50, plug it in. It will show you the pressure that's in the tire or tube or whatever, and just turn it on, and it will work until it reaches the pressure you set up for. Then you can choose between 4 different modes here. I mean 4 like presets. To change the preset, you simply adjust the pressure, turn it on, and the turning on kinda like saves the pressure. So I adjusted it with 1.8, and it's saved on M1 1.8. If you want to change the units, you just long press inside of that like memory 1. No, oh, I change it. Yeah, now like you can just adjust it, click, and it will just say for PSI. If I long press, adjust it, turn it on to kind of save the mode. Let's go back to M1, and it says bar and what I set up it for. I did this so M2 is 2 bars for me because I use the bar units. M3 is 3 bars, and M4 is 4 kilopascals, whatever. Let's change it real quick. Bars and 4. 2, 4, 3. Yeah. That's how it looks like, how it presents. I will run a quick like inflating test, and we will see in a moment how it performs. Okay, so just when I screw it in, it shows me the actual pressure of the car. Now I will deflate the tire and then inflate it back to spec, and I will see how much time it takes. Okay, so I got the tire to 1 bar. Now I will set it up to the spec, which is 2.4. And let's see how much time it takes. Now, I'm not sure exactly, but it took about 12 minutes, which is, yeah, quite some time. And the battery now is like yellow or something. I don't know how much is left there, but still it did a good job. But anyway, 12 minutes, it's kind of long. I'm curious to see how it will compare to the other device. For comparison, I will use a Volkswagen standard like air compressor that comes with most of the cars. I'm not sure how much time that was, but it's up to spec. I will check on the video and let you know. Okay, so in conclusion, it takes some time to inflate the tire with this, but I think it's a good piece of equipment anyway, especially for bike trips. Yeah, and take a note that the tire I was inflating was quite big, and a bike tire will take a fraction of that time. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Take care.